Take a breath and settle in for a moment. This is part 1, the war inside your mind. Today, we're starting with the place where every transformation begins. The quiet struggle between who you are right now and who you're trying to become. Stay with me, because understanding this part will shape everything that follows. Let's begin. Have you ever felt like your mind is working against you? You want to change. You want to improve. But something inside keeps whispering, not now. Maybe later. Give it a minute. And before you know it, the whole day is gone. That doesn't mean you're weak. It doesn't mean you lack potential. It means your mind is choosing comfort instead of growth. And you feel it. Deep down, you know you've been avoiding the things that matter. You know you're capable of more. You know you've been holding back. Let me share a short story. There was a guy who wanted to run every morning. He bought new shoes, set an early alarm, made a plan. But every morning, he hit snooze. One day, he sat on the edge of his bed and asked, "Why do I keep doing this?" And then it hit him. He wasn't avoiding the run. He was avoiding discomfort. Not the distance, not the effort. Just the first few uncomfortable seconds. That's how the mind works. It avoids discomfort more than the task itself. Your mind holds on to the old version of you. It protects your habits. It protects your routines. It protects your comfort, even when that comfort is holding you back. This is identity inertia, the old you trying to survive. You try to wake up early, and the old you pulls you back into bed. You try to focus, and your hand reaches for your phone without thinking. You try to change, and your doubts whisper, "Not today." It's not failure. It's resistance. And understanding this resistance is the first step. When you're ready, move to part 2. Honesty, identity, and small wins. That's where the real shift begins.